Ever thought you could start investing with just $100 or less? It might seem like a small sum, but don't underestimate the power of $100. It's like a seed, a tiny start that can grow into a towering tree over time. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone with a vision for their future. The key is to start small, be consistent, and let the magic of compound interest do its work. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember this: every journey begins with a single step. Stay tuned to find out how to get started on your investment journey with just $100. First, let's understand what investing is all about. Picture this. Investing is like planting a seed today with the hope that it will grow into a tree tomorrow. You're actually putting your money to work, helping it grow over time. But keep in mind, the larger the tree you want, the more time you'll need. That's where the concept of time horizon comes into play. Time horizon is simply the length of time you expect to hold an investment before you need the money back. If you're saving for retirement 30 years from now, you have a long time horizon. But if you're saving for a vacation next year, your time horizon is much shorter. Now, let's talk about financial goals. Your financial goals are the big things you want to save for, like buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. These goals will dictate how much you need to save and how aggressive or conservative you should be with your investments. The more ambitious your goals, the more money you'll need to invest. Risk tolerance is another factor you'll want to consider. This is all about how much risk you're comfortable taking on. The stock market can be a roller coaster ride with highs and lows, and not everyone has the stomach for it. If you're a risk taker, you might be comfortable investing in stocks with high growth potential, but also high volatility. But if you're more conservative, you might prefer safer investments like bonds or money market funds. And finally, let's not forget the power of compounding. Albert Einstein once called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process where your earnings generate even more earnings, creating a snowball effect. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. With a clear understanding of these basics, you're ready to start investing, even with a small amount. Experts have weighed in on how to start investing with just $100. So, what's the secret? It's all about diversification and smart choices. Here's where we can start. Firstly, consider exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. They're designed to track the performance of a specific index, sector, commodity, or asset. The beauty of ETFs lies in their diversity. When you invest in an ETF, you're essentially investing in a basket of different assets. This spreads out your risk and can provide a more stable return. Secondly, there's the option of real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. When you invest in a REIT, you're investing in a portfolio of real estate assets. What's great about REITs is that they're required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually. This means you can potentially receive regular income from your investment. Lastly, let's talk about purchasing websites for potential profit. This is a more unconventional route, but it can be lucrative if done correctly. Websites can generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, and more. You can purchase an existing website, improve it, and then monetize it for a potential profit. Remember, these are just the tips of the iceberg. There's a whole world of investment opportunities out there. It's all about finding the right fit for you, doing your research, and making informed decisions. Investing is not a guaranteed path to riches, but with smart choices and a little bit of luck, your initial $100 could grow into much more. These are just a few of the many ways to start investing with a small amount. One of the golden rules of investing is diversification. Imagine you're at a buffet. You wouldn't pile your plate with just one type of food, would you? No, you'd try a bit of everything. That's the essence of diversification. It's about spreading your investments across a range of assets to lower your risk. Now let's take a look at the cannabis industry. It's a sector that's been getting a lot of attention recently, and for good reason. It's a rapidly growing market with huge potential. But like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks. Federal legalization uncertainties, market volatility, and industry complexities are just a few that spring to mind. So, how do we navigate these waters? Well, the experts suggest a strategy of diversification. Rather than putting all your eggs in one cannabis company's basket, consider investing in a cannabis-focused exchange-traded fund, or ETF, like the ETF-MG Alternative Harvest Fund. An ETF is like a ready-made investment portfolio. It's composed of multiple stocks, spreading your investment across several companies within the industry. That way, if one company doesn't perform well, your entire investment isn't at risk. But don't stop there. The cannabis industry isn't just about growers and sellers. There are ancillary businesses that support the industry, such as companies that provide equipment, technology, and services. Investing in these supporting businesses can also be a way of diversifying your portfolio. So whether you're considering dipping your toes into the cannabis industry or any other sector, remember the buffet analogy. Don't fill your plate with just one type of investment. Spread your risks by diversifying. Remember, diversification doesn't guarantee profits, but it can help spread risk. Saving for retirement is a long-term investment goal that you can start with $100. Now let's talk about a powerful tool that can help you accumulate wealth over time. The 401k. A 401k is a type of retirement savings account that you can open through your employer. It allows you to contribute a portion of your pre-tax salary, which then grows tax-free until you withdraw it in retirement. But why is a 401k so powerful? The secret lies in the power of compound interest. This is where your earnings start to earn their own earnings, creating a snowball effect that can significantly increase your wealth over time. It's like planting a small seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. When it comes to maximizing your 401k contributions, there are a few strategies to consider. One is to start early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only afford to contribute a small amount in the beginning, remember that every little bit counts. Another strategy is to take advantage of any employer match. Many employers will match a portion of your 401k contributions, effectively giving you free money. So if your employer offers a match, make sure you're contributing at least enough to get the full amount. Lastly, consider increasing your contributions over time. As your salary grows, try to increase the amount you're contributing to your 401k. This can help you reach your retirement savings goals faster. Retirement might seem far off, but the earlier you start investing, the better off you'll be. The power of a 401 cool and compound interest can turn your initial $100 into a substantial nest egg for your golden years. So why wait? Start today and let your money work for you. Believe it or not, investing doesn't require a large sum of money to get started. Yes, you heard it right, and this whole video is a testament to that fact. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered so far. We've learned about the power of a mere $100 and how it can give you a kickstart into the world of investing. We've unearthed the basics of investing, understanding that it's not about quick returns, but a steady journey of growth. We've also delved into expert advice on how you can start investing with just $100. Remember the low-cost ETFs, real estate investment trusts, and even the potential of buying websites for advertising and affiliate income. All these are accessible and affordable options for you to consider. We've highlighted the importance of diversification, a key to lowering risk. Whether it's through ETFs or supporting ancillary businesses in burgeoning industries like cannabis, there are numerous ways to spread your investments and minimize potential losses. And let's not forget the power of a 401k. Contributing to your retirement fund is another form of investment, one that ensures your future financial security. The crux of it all? You don't need thousands or millions to start investing. All you need is $100, a bit of knowledge, and the courage to take the first step. Remember, the journey to financial freedom can start with just $100. So why wait? Start investing today.